top installation, pretty close to 300 kilowatts on the engine. You wouldn't know it's from proper. I'll have to start it. I'll start it, I'll stop it and restart it. You can just see how easy this all is. Wait lanterns, everything's fully stopped. Go, just like a stocker. What we do here at Raptor is try and give you the best quality in every respect, from tuning through to the whole system. It's normal everyday driving in a car fitted with the Raptor ProStreet 9 PSI system. Steady driving. Can't hear the supercharger. Can't hear anything but normal road noise. This car is a V6 Commodore Executive. Okay, we're cruising at about 75 kilometres an hour. We're going to sink the boot in a bit. We should be able to hear the supercharger. This is a bit of a stand and start on bitumen with the Raptor ProStreet kit, no intercooler, on a standard, otherwise standard V6 Commodore VY with a standard condition automatic, not modified. This is going to be a little bit of the brakes on and just feed the power on and let the brake off. There we go.